In the next episode of the Ozik Sahar, Jihan will survive the physical violence around the wedding only to discover an old injury has consequences nobody noticed. He will begin the story believing and behaving normally, taking the control of the mansion, arranging protection and refusing to rest. Ayla will be gone and he will use the work to avoid thinking about her. But while speaking with the Kaya, Jahan suddenly loses the track of the simple conversation. A few minutes later, he will find himself standing in another room without remembering why he went there. He will hide the problem because the weakness is dangerous in his position. The symptoms will grow worse headache, missing minutes, and flashes of the memories that do not belong to the present. A doctor will warn that the trauma from the recent violence may have caused the neurological problem. That stresses could make it more serious. Jahan will refuse the hospitalization. He believes the family is too vulnerable. When Ayla learns what is happening, her instinct as a doctor and as a woman who loves him will collide. She will return furious that nobody told her earlier and instinct insist on examining every report. Jahan will accuse her of coming back only because he is injured. Ayla will tell him that she left to save his life, not because she stopped wanting one with him. Their argument will interrupt when the Jahan suddenly remembers a detail from the wedding that he had forgotten. Shortly before the attack, he saw someone speaking to the security man near the side of the entrance. Because the memory is incomplete, he cannot identify the person. This gives a medical storyline a mystery function that rather than simply making the Jahan helpless, Ida will encourage him not to helpless. Ida will encourage him to force the memory. While the Jahan becomes obsessed with recovering it, Sadakat will secretly worry that if rivals discovered his condition, they will challenge his authority. So she urges Ayla to keep the diagnosis hidden. Ayla refuses to treat Jahan's health like a political secret, creating another confrontation. During the night, Jahan wakes believing that the wedding is happened again, and after that, she she walks again uh, towards the courtyard. Ayla will find that there is a staring at the place where everything collapsed. Instead of correcting him immediately, she quietly asks what she sees. Jahan described the here. Ayla write it down. The next morning, he cannot remember the conversation, but the phrase leads them the company to connect one of the wedding suppliers. This to discover the company was created only weeks before the ceremony. Jahan realizes the attack was prepared carefully. The episode could end as a steady photograph of the company owner and suddenly experiences a complete flashback.